We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox and Excel, making your workflow seamless by integrating cloud storage directly with your spreadsheets. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Excel on your desktop. You want to ensure you're using the latest version to get all the updated features. Once Excel is open, go to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Open. When you click Open, you'll notice different places to open files from. Here, you should see the option for Dropbox if it's already linked. If Dropbox isn't linked yet, you need to click on Add a Place in the same menu. This will prompt you to select a service to add, and you should choose Dropbox. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Dropbox account. You'll need your Dropbox credentials for this part, so make sure you have them handy. Once logged in, Dropbox will appear as a location option under Open. Now, you can access your Dropbox files directly from Excel. Just click on Dropbox under Open, and you'll see all your stored documents. You can open any Excel file saved in Dropbox, make your edits, and save them directly back to Dropbox without needing to download or upload anything manually. This integration helps keep all your files organized and accessible from anywhere. Remember, any changes you make to a file will automatically sync with your Dropbox account, so you don't have to worry about saving new versions every time. If you wish to save a new Excel file to Dropbox, go to File, choose Save As, and select Dropbox as the destination. This way, you ensure all your important documents are backed up in the cloud. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.